So this is the second part of the lecture, sequence and series. So some important points like if number of term, if number of terms in sequence is finite, then sequence is finite sequence. And the related series is also called finite series. Okay, agar number of terms in the sequence are finite, countable, then sequence is called finite sequence, and the related series with this sequence is called finite series. And same for the infinite. Okay, same for the infinite. If number of terms, इसके बाद हम अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन को मूव करते हैं. If number of terms in sequence is finite means countable, then sequence is infinite sequence, and the related series is also called infinite series. These are the 2 points regarding this. Okay, so come to the question number 13 we have done. Yes. So question number 14. In question number 14, this is a Fibonacci sequence, and we have already discussed about this Fibonacci sequence. Question number 14. The Fibonacci sequence is defined by. So I have already told you about the Fibonacci sequence. So Fibonacci sequence where we can find any term by adding 2 previous terms, but first 2 terms are given. So A1 equal to A2. Here is 1. Oh, according to question, A1 equal to A2 equal to 1, according to question. And AN equal AN minus 1 plus AN minus 2. N is greater than 2. Okay, so कुछ find out कराया उसने, ये given है. So find AN plus 1 divided by AN for N equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the question. Okay, so AN plus 1 divided by AN. So what we have to find? जरा यहाँ पे रखिए, put N equal to 1 रखिए यहाँ पे. So what we are find? A1 plus 1 and A1. So that is A2 upon A1. So what is A2? A2 is 1, A1 is 1. So we are getting 1. So put N equal to 2. What we are getting? 2 plus 1 and A2. That is A3 by 2. So now we don't have A3. So first we will have to find the A3 from here. Put N equal to 3. So what we are getting? A3 is 3 minus 1 and 3 minus 2. that is a2 plus a1. So we have the values a2 plus a1, 1 plus 1, that is 2. That is 2. Okay, so apply here a3. So a3 value is 2 and 2 by 1, that is 2 is the answer. Now student, put n equal to 3. So 3 plus 1 and a3. So that is a4, a3. So what is a4? A4 we have to find here. So put n equal to 4. So what we are getting? A4 minus 1, A4 minus 2. So that is A3, A2. So A4 equal to A3. A3 we find recently A2. A3 is 2. Okay. And A2 given 1, that is 3. So apply here 3 by A3. A3 is 2. So 3 by 2, that is the answer. One answer, second answer, third answer. Okay, now we need to find I think more terms. 4, 5 के लिए चाहिए, अभी हमें और भी चाहिए, और टर्म्स भी चाहिए. So similarly, find a5 here. So put n equal to 5. So what we are getting? A5. So a5 means a5 minus 1, a5 minus 2, a4 plus a3. So what we are getting? A4 is 3, a3 is 2, that is 5. A5 value is 5. Okay, one more value I think we needed. Put n equal to 6. So what we are getting? A6. A6 is A6 minus 1, A6 minus 2. That is A5, A4. A5 is 5, A4 is 3. That is 8. Now we have to use all these values. So wait and create some space. Okay, students, so remove this part. Yes, so put here, put n equal to 4. So what we are getting? We are getting 4 plus 1 divided by 4. That is A5 by 4. So what is A5? We got, that is 5. So 5. And A4 is 3. So 3. This is the answer. Again, put n equal to 5. So what we are getting? 5 plus 1 and A5. That is A6 by A5. So what is A6? A6 is 8. So 8 by A5 is 5. 5. This is the answer. So student, we got all the answers. Whatever we needed, we have found. So I think 9.1. 9.1, am I right? Yes. 9.1 exercise is completed and clear to all. So what is sequence? You all know. What is series? You all know. What is finite, infinite, sequence and series? You all know. Terms of the sequence? You all know. Okay, and all the questions of 9.1, I think you got it. Now come to the next part, some special type of sequences. So special type of sequences. Some special types of sequences. Some special types of sequences called progression. Okay, everyone. So some special type of sequences and called progression. So first one is arithmetic sequence, and we can write arithmetic progression. Okay, we can write this arithmetic sequence, and in the different name we can write this arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. Okay, so progression is also sequence, but we find some special rule, and with this rule we are saying this sequences is called progression. Okay, so what is the arithmetic sequence? So arithmetic sequence क्या है? देखिए, a sequence A1, comma A2, comma A3, comma A4, and so on, AN, and so on, is called arithmetic sequence, is called arithmetic sequence, or we can say arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression if, अब यहां पे आपको एक रूल लिखना है, इफ, कि ये जो सीक्वेंस है इसको हम अर्थमेटिक सीक्वेंस कब बोलेंगे. तो व्हाट इज द रूल? तो इफ an+1 इक्वल टू an+t, where n belongs to नेचुरल नंबर. ओके, अब इस रूल को हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, an+1, an को यहां पे शिफ्ट करो, -an इक्वल टू d. इसका मीनिंग हुआ कि टर्म, डिफरेंस ऑफ टर्म विद द प्रीवियस टर्म, डिफरेंस ऑफ टर्म विद द प्रीवियस टर्म, मतलब किसी टर्म का डिफरेंस अपने पहले वाली टर्म से हमेशा कांस्टेंट होना चाहिए, सेम कांस्टेंट. ओके, ये d जो है सेम कांस्टेंट है. तो यहां पे हम लिखेंगे वेयर a1, ये जो a1 है दैट इज कॉल्ड फर्स्ट टर्म, and we represent in the whole the chapter that is a, small a. a1 को हम a लिखेंगे पूरे चैप्टर में, ठीक है ना, इसको आप ध्यान रखना. और यहां पर जो d है, ये जो कांस्टेंट आया, तो दिस कांस्टेंट d इज कॉल्ड कॉमन डिफरेंस. क्योंकि कॉमन डिफरेंस आ रहा है, कॉमन डिफरेंस किसका? ऑफ द अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन. ओके, तो सभी टू सक्सेसिव टर्म्स का जो डिफरेंस है वो आपको सेम मिल रहा है, तो वो जो सेम डिफरेंस है दैट इज कॉल्ड कॉमन डिफरेंस ऑफ द अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन. सो फ्रॉम हियर व्हाट वी आर गेटिंग, फ्रॉम हियर वी आर गेटिंग a2 minus a1, we are getting a3 minus a2, we are getting a4 minus a3, and so on. तो ये जो टू सक्सेसिव टर्म्स का डिफरेंस है वो हमें सेम मिल रहा है, d d d, and this is called common difference. This is called common difference. So I think this is clear to all. I hope so. ठीक है, तो ये हमारा अर्थमेटिक सीक्वेंस का एक इंट्रोडक्शन है. ठीक है, स्टार्ट करते हैं हम इसकी nth टर्म को, और उसके बाद मैं अपने लेक्चर को आज एंड करूंगा. सो nth टर्म और देख लेते हैं, उसके बाद फिर हम आगे का पार्ट कल डिस्कस करेंगे क्लास के अंदर. ओके, सिर्फ फॉर्मूले क्रिएट कर लेते हैं nth टर्म के और सम ऑफ n टर्म्स के फॉर्मूले क्रिएट कर लेते हैं, देन वी विल डू द क्वेश्चन टुमारो. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट, स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म हम लिख सकते हैं इसकी, जैसे लाइक मैंने, अब हम क्रिएट कर रहे हैं nth टर्म. ओके, nth टर्म, और इसको हम बोलते हैं जनरल टर्म. जनरल टर्म किसका? अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन का. तो अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन का जनरल टर्म. तो लेट अस सपोज, लेट a is the first term, a is the first term, and d is the common difference of the arithmetic progression. Common difference. Then now student, we are going to create another term for that sequence. nth term for that sequence. So if it is the arithmetic progression, so we can write that a2 minus a1 is d. So what is a2? A2 is a1 plus d, and what is a1? A1, I suppose a. So second term is a plus d. Second term is a plus d. Now a3 minus a2, that is also d. And what is a3? A3 is a2 plus d. And what is a2? A2 we recently find a plus d and plus d. So we are getting a plus 2d. This is the third term. So in the same pattern, we can create another term also. So an minus 1, that is d. So what we are getting? An equal to an minus 1 plus d. So student, by this pattern we can create an. देखिए जब आपको a2 चाहिए तो d के साथ 1 की मल्टीप्लाई है, जब a3 चाहिए तो d के साथ 2 की मल्टीप्लाई है. इसका मतलब जो भी नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स चाहिए तो d के साथ उससे कम नंबर मल्टीप्लाई है. तो बाय द पैटर्न, बाय द सिमेट्री, वी कैन क्रिएट, दिस इज द nth term, an equal to a plus n minus 1d. So this is the nth term of the given arithmetic progression. So a plus n minus 1d. So remember this nth term, student. बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस इसके ऊपर हमें मिलेंगे. Okay, so this is the nth term of the sequence. Okay, अब देखिए अगर हमें लास्ट टर्म गिवन हो, इफ एल क्या है? द लास्ट टर्म, मतलब एंड टर्म, द लास्ट टर्म, और वी कैन से एंड टर्म of arithmetic progression. So how to find the formula for that? So student, remember always L n term is equivalent to the general term an, and that is a plus n minus 1d. Okay, so n term का अगर कोई भी क्वेश्चन आए तो आपको सोचना है कि वो nth टर्म की बात कर रहा है, जनरल टर्म की बात कर रहा है. तो फॉर्मूला विल बी सेम. Okay, formula will be same. And nth term of an arithmetic progression. So I think this is clear to all. Now we create a formula for sum of n terms. Then मैं लेक्चर को ओवर करूंगा और फिर कल हम डिस्कस करेंगे 9.2 एक्सरसाइज. So sum of n terms. So heading is sum of n terms. Okay, so sum of n terms. Sum of n terms. Okay, so sum of n terms of arithmetic progression. Sum of n terms of arithmetic progression. Like suppose S is a symbol and here n represent you are going to find the sum of n terms. So first term, second term, third term, and so on. an. So you need to find these sum. So what will be the sum? We have to create the formula. What will be the sum? So create the formula for that. How to find sum? So very easy. Student, see very carefully one thing. If I add first term and last term, first term and last term, second term and second last term, third term and third last term. So sum of the terms from the equivalent position from the starting and from the end. Okay, अगर हम स्टार्टिंग से फर्स्ट टर्म ले रहे हैं तो लास्ट से भी फर्स्ट टर्म लो, स्टार्टिंग से सेकंड टर्म ले रहे हैं तो लास्ट से भी सेकंड टर्म लो, स्टार्टिंग से थर्ड टर्म लास्ट से भी थर्ड टर्म. So if we are adding these terms, so sum will be same. So what is a1? That is a. What is an? A plus n minus 1d. So final answer is 2a plus n minus 1d. Similarly, second term and second last term. So what is a2? A2 is a plus d. And what is an minus 1? That is a plus. अगर यहाँ पे an है तो यहाँ पे n minus 1 आएगा, यहाँ पे अगर n minus 1 है तो यहाँ पे आएगा n minus 2 d. And sum these terms, so you will get 2a plus n minus 1 d. Definitely you will get this. Okay, now a3 plus an minus 2, that is a3 is a plus 2d. And what is an minus 2? So a plus जो भी यहाँ पे होता है उससे कम नंबर आएगा, n minus 3d. So simplify this and you will get 2a plus n minus 1d. It means all are same. So student, for finding this one, I am creating some concept like right here Sn once again, and the sum of the terms in the reverse manner, in the reverse, and so on. Last में क्या आएगा? a1. मैंने an से स्टार्ट किया और a1 तक एंड किया. एक ही बात है, आप 1 plus 2 plus 3 ऐड कर लो या 3 plus 2 plus 1 कर लो, एक ही बात है. अब इन सबको ऐड कर लीजिए, adding all the terms. So that is 2Sn, and here we are getting a1 plus an, and here we are getting a2 plus an minus 1, and here we are getting a3 plus an minus 2, and so on. At the last we are getting an plus a1. So student, अभी मैंने आपको बताया कि sum of the terms equidistance from the beginning and the end will be same. So a1 plus an will be same by a2 plus an minus 1, and all will be same. So how many pairs? N pairs. Here how many pairs? N pairs. So n into same. तो फर्स्ट वाला लिख लीजिए, एक ही बात है, सबका सम सेम ही होगा. तो मैंने इसको सबको सेम लिख के और इसको मैंने n टाइम कर लिया. So here is n, and what is a1 plus an? That is 2a plus n minus 1d. Clear? तो यहां से हमें सम मिल गया है. So what is the sum? What is sum? So here see very carefully. So 2Sn equal to n, 2a plus n minus 1d. So finally we are getting Sn value is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. So student, this is the formula for sum of n terms of arithmetic progression. I think all got the concept. Tell me the proof.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I think proof is clear to all. Very good. So within 2 to 3 minutes I am going to stop the lecture. So today what we discussed, so I am writing at last कि हमने आज क्या डिस्कस किया. Okay, so आज हमने डिस्कस किया कि अगर a1, a2, a3, an, ये पैटर्न अगर अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन को शो करता है, अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन, सो यहाँ पे जो फॉर्मूला होगा nth टर्म का an, that will be a plus n minus 1d. Okay, a is the a1 first term, and d is the common difference. So कल इसी के ऊपर हमारे क्वेश्चंस होंगे. So L formula will also be same, a plus n minus 1d, also formula will be same. And here L is the n term. N term is last term. So formula will be same. N term, last term or nth term, all things are same. All things are same. Now we discuss some of n terms. We have already discussed about this. N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. So we discuss this formula also. Sum of n terms. ओके सो ये 3 फॉर्मूलेज आज हमने डिस्कस किए हैं और यहां से इस फॉर्मूले को अगर मैं थोड़ा सा एडिट करूं सो आई कैन राइट n by 2 a 2a को लिखिए a plus n minus 1d. So student, you can create a new one formula a plus, and whatever this is L. This is L. So created new one formula Sn equal n by 2 a plus n. A plus n. So this is also the sum of n terms, where L is the n term. N term is nth term. Nth term. Okay, like A1, A2, and so on. Last में क्या है L. L means nth term. So student, okay, this is all from my side today. And tomorrow we will discuss your 9.2 exercise. Thank you so much.